A guide you to upload YouTube videos from phone. For that, firstly, let's go to the YouTube. From there, you can tap on the plus which is in the middle, and from there you can upload videos, shorts, or even the live. So let's say if you can't do that, you can go to your profile, tap on your channel. From there, you could tap on the create content on that device, and from there, you can tap on create. Here, it will give you the list of options for creating a short video, live, or even a post. So, let's say if you need to create it now, that has been recorded. Now, and it is being recording. Now, you can tap on next. From there, you can add the music to that on that specific video. Let's say if you tap on this edit option, here you could find editing text and filters. So if you go back here, you could now find the audio option. From here, you could add any of the audios that you want. And after adding, now you can tap on next here. From there, you can go for editing that visibility, maybe private or schedule. You can schedule that anytime you want. Otherwise, you can select audience here. You can tap on related videos related to that. You can turn on the comments or you can turn off, and you can allow even video and audio remixing too. And after that, if you tap on the upload short, so let's see uploading to your videos, and if you tap on see video, here you could see that has been processing. That processing has been started and that was been uploaded within 3 minutes. This is how you upload YouTube videos from phone. Thank you.